Hey lovelies, welcome back. I hope you had a fantastic and family-filled Christmas. I just wanted to show you guys a painting that I worked on over this winter break. It was an inspiration from a snowy tree that's right outside my window. It's kind of a tutorial, so please feel free to follow along, but mostly just enjoy, and I hope you have a happy new year. And please watch to the end for a very special announcement. Comes to an end, I just want to let my friends in the Broome County area know that my January classes will be held on January 18th. It's a Saturday. It'll be for 8 to 15-year-olds and 16 and up. So please check out my website in the link below and like in my Facebook page and like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more insights and events. Have a blessed new year, you guys. See you in 2020.